You know what this is. This is B.F.A.M cooking. We're here again at Thera Farms, right here at Thera Farms. Again, 2019, this is a video from. So, just so you know, they're growing, we're buying. Okay, tell me, who are you?
I'm Bolkas, Athanasia Bolkas. The farm, it's my son's farm, Thera Farms. We work like a family, my daughter-in-law, Heather, my son, Theodore. They call him Teddy, I call him Favori.
Like a famous president, that's why.
Yeah.
So ma'am, what are you going to show us today?
Dandelions, how we make a dandelions in Greece. Even, okay, this is a glita. The green one here, green one, and green, and they have a little purple. The same taste, the same, whatever this and this. You can boil together, you can eat together, it's nothing different. When you finish, you put in boiling water with the salt, and in 5-6 minutes it's ready. You take it out, and you put it in a plate, olive oil, you slice, no saute, just slice garlic, and when you're ready to eat, you add some vinegar. You can have it with these shrimps, fish, chicken cutlets, steak, it's going with everything. And be sure you cook the stem too, because some people, they throw away, they think only this is good. No, more stem has a better is the stem for this. Dandelions, you can cut the stem out, you see? Dandelions. But the glitter, cook from the end to from the beginning to the end.
So would you say, like the people, like my people would say, the secret's in the ground, you're saying the secret's in the stem?
Τι είναι αυτό?
Ότι λέει ότι το stem έχει πιο πολλά vitamins.
Has a lot of flavor.
Yes, it has, of course. Like the meat. The meat, where is the best part? The bones. Inside the bones, all right? And all the soft, it's around the bones, not you buy filet mignon, so it's not tasty like and now the beets here. I put the head first when I clean, and top of the head I put πώς είναι τα χόρτα του.
The leaves.
The leaves from that on.
Yeah, the leaves.
You never throw away. The leaves is better on the head.
In Greece, they sell the leaves differently, and the leaves cost more than the head.
Yeah. When my children were small, they fight over the leaves, not over the head. Still today.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children, 5 grandchildren, and the other one halfway come. And I'm very happy because they put my mother's name. Emily.
Delicious. Hey everyone, I just want you to know, I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M Cooking, and this is
Sula from Thera Farms.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy to be here. I hope you guys come out and check out this farm. It is excellent here in Brentwood. Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. I'm gonna slide you over just a little bit this way so I don't block your sign behind you. Look. See it? See it now?
Oh, the name.
Yeah, the name.
That's my son's name.
Yeah, okay.
Thera Farms.
So-
Don't forget.
And mine. It's okay.
It's okay. What
Well,
is
No. Don't.
Mine
He's a good. No, Terry, you love that. You don't do it to live that. To live in.
Mine,
How they call it?
Yeah. Be bold.
No,
Mine.
that's his hobby.
That's
That's his hobby.
Right. What is this now? Please tell me again.
Glita.
Glita. Okay. I'm gonna dig in and try. It looks fantastic.
Yes.
Reminds me of like spinach. Definitely.
No, it's better tasting.
Well,
Spinach.
definitely better taste than spinach. You are
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
And I like the garlic. And boy, let me tell you,
With garlic raw, right? No, we don't.
I know it's a hint of garlic. It's very nice. Hold on, let me get another.
That's why we lower your blood pressure because of the garlic. You don't get disease, you know. You don't need garlic.
Well, it's going to help my already gotten stuff, but it's delicious. I tell you, this is the green and the purple.
Yes, the same thing.
Same thing.
Green,
Okay.
Green or purple is the same taste, the same vegetable.
Okay. Well, thank you very
And
much.
you cook the same way.
Cook the same way. Wait. Let's try the beets. Hold on.
Yes.
No, stay there. Stay there. Switch off. Okay.
After the mutotes.
Yes. One more time. Good. Let me check. Thank you. Good. Okay. So what is this called?
In Greece, pajaria.
Padalia.
Pajaria.
Pajaria.
You can say, forget it.
Beets.
Beets. I'm not saying it right. Pajalia? Okay.
Pajaria, no, it's a different language.
It's a different language. Okay. Beets. I see red beets, regular traditional red beets with stems. The stems are.
Yes, it's good.
What's the stems from? The beets?
The beets, of course.
Oh, okay.
The American people, they throw away. They buy only the head. You buy the whole thing and you cook the whole thing. Why
delicious.
you have to throw away?
I don't know.
That's why I'm here to teach you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M. You're on. One more time. Who are you? I'm gonna go. I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M.
I'm Sula.
Sula. You're Sula from Thera Farms.
Thera Farms, my son.
Yeah.
And I help him.
Yes. Okay. So I'll say it again. I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M. and you are
Sula
from.
Thera Farms.
Okay, we're gonna stick with that.
You know what you mean, Thera?
Yeah, I thought it was both their names.
Thera is the capital in Santorini.
Oh, Santorini.
Thera, in the old Greek, it's the door. Porta. We call porta the door. But a long time ago, they called Thera. Yes.
Okay.
So door or Thera is the same thing.
Okay. So again, I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M. and
I'm Sula
from.
from Thera Farm.
Yes, that's and then we cut. Okay, you ready? All right. So again, beets are excellent.
Yeah, because you know why? Because from the ground.
Μάνα, αυτό που κάνετε πριν θα πει Σούλα from Thera Farms. Τίποτα άλλο. Try it again.
You know why?
No, I didn't talk to that. I talked to
doesn't
You
matter.
are. Just remember the mic is on.
Thera, Sula from Thera Farms.
I'm
Try it
gonna
again.
take another bite.
Like,
I would say Jerome from B.F.A.M. Don't run away from me, Sula. You're gonna run right out of the shot.
no, my husband is jealous.
I don't want him to get jealous. Don't worry. Don't worry. We can only hang out a little bit. All right.
Okay.
All right. So you got me saying. All right.
Who you are?
I'm gonna say who. I'm gonna take a bite. Swallow, obviously. Then you'll say your name and you're from. Okay. All right. We're gonna try it. Okay. Well, that's way too big a bite. Just already gotta get it out there.
Who you are?
I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M. and this is
From Thera Farm. My son and I'm the business.
good. What your name is?
Sula, Thera Farms.
Wow, I always wondered how that happened. Now I know. Oh my goodness. All right. I know you want me to eat the whole thing, but
It's healthy for you.
thank you very much, man. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna
You're
swallow.
gonna say your name.
I'm gonna swallow, and then I'm gonna say my name
Okay.
because I can't talk on my mouth
And I
full
have to say my name.
with the from.
With the Thera Farm.
Yes.
Sula from Thera Farms.
Yeah. And
Now for you, my son, no?
Τίποτα. Sula from Thera Farms.
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna cover him in just a second. He's got to work. You know, that's what it is. All right. Okay. Here we go. Very delicious. You guys know I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M. Cooking, and this is,
Sula of Thera Farm.
and we'll let you guys come on over, check it out at Thera Farms. Man, I'm forgetting, so now we gotta do it all over again.
You want more beets?
I want more beats. That's what it is. I want more beats. All right, one more time. Luckily, we're just rolling. And I'm gonna just go right into my smoothness.
Oh my
I'll
God!
try.
The people they may go to have a movie. They have the best out all day.
Yeah, they have to do this all day until we get it right.
Scooter, I never be a movie star.
Because you'll never be a movie star. You never know that. Yeah. We're trying to make that happen for you, but we gotta get through this cut.
Okay.
All right? All right, one more time.
You almost hit the whole thing.
Oh my God, my wife would be rolling. All right, here we go. One more time. I'm gonna eat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say my name, then you're gonna say your name, and then you're from.
From Greece, I have to say that.
I'm putting all these bloopers in. This is so funny. Sure, you can say you're from Greece.
No, Thera Farm from Greece.
Wherever you want.
We're from Brentwood.
In Long
We're
Island.
in Brentwood. We're not in Greece.
Right, well, I just came back from Italy, so it's a little difficult for them. If you say Greece, they'll think we're in Greece.
Okay. And in Brentwood and St. George.
Yeah, we want to drive people.
That's Shula from Thera Farms. It's 4 words. 4 words, man.
All right, here we go. Yeah. Man, we're going to have so much fun with this. I'm going to swallow, chew and swallow.
It's good to sit to laugh. It's very healthy.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I can feel the healthy. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I got to swallow what's still in my mouth. All right, here we go. Delicious. Hey, everyone. I just want you to know I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M Cooking, and this is
Shula from Thera Farm.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy to be here. I hope you guys come out and check out this farm. It is excellent here in Brentwood. Cut. Thank you. Just before.
But you don't say you like it, this.
Yes, I said it several times. Oh my God. Thank you very much for the fun. That was funny. Oh my God, I'm putting that at the end. I'm going to cut them all up and put that at the end.
No.
Yes, that is funny. That is so funny.
But don't cut off. It's very funny.
We're gonna end. We're gonna end like we should end, and then I'm gonna put the blooper. Bloop, bloop, bloop. So funny. I'm from
Greece.
Yeah, I know.
That was the best.
It's like she timed it.
I'm happy